Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can cut the cartridge to make it for your caulking. So before I proceed further, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. So guys, when you cut any cartridge for use in the caulking device, it's always recommended to cut at 45 degrees. But then how you're going to make the cut is very important. So I'm trying to give you a closer look. Yeah, you see some marks here. If you go closer, you will see one, it says 5 by 16, that's the diameter in inches, 1/4, 3 by 16 and 1 by 8. So depending upon the area that you're gonna do and go for caulking, you're gonna make cut. Now one way is very simple, where you can use the your caulking device itself to make a cut. I'm gonna show you. Like in this one, as you see, there is an option to make a cut here. I can go and do, but sometimes what the problem with this is, like, not for everyone, sometimes people, like, while pushing it, lose their hand or something, and the cuts don't go at the exact mark. So what I would suggest, like, instead of doing that, use a very sharp edge knife, okay, and select the mark. Like for example, if you are going for 5 by 16, so it also gives you the line. Just follow the line and make a sharp cut, and then you can use it in your caulking device. So this is what I would recommend. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you. When you load the cartridge into the caulking device, make sure you puncture a hole in the mouth using this. That is also provided, okay, so that actually it can release the caulking when you apply the uniform pressure. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.